Hey guys, welcome to your video on how to use a piece of software called Piktochart. It's really good for making infographics and posters that you can put into your assessment tasks and in your work at school. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in. I've already made an account to sign up with. I'm just going to sign in with my Google account. And it'll take me to the dashboard. So you can see you can create a brand new poster or infographic or presentation, or you can select from basic templates here. So I'm going to go ahead and find a poster template. And so you can see there's a few ones I can choose from already to make my poster. So let's say I want to choose this template here. Another thing I could do is I can start a blank one by clicking on that top one there. Just going to load here for me, so I can edit this existing template. I can edit the company name as well as all the font and the color of that font and everything. So I can edit my title there for this poster. What I can do is I can put in different shapes and icons and things that you can search up as well, and you can just click on those and they'll pop in there for you. The other thing you can do is upload your own photos. So if you go browse images, it'll take you to your file explorer and you can upload certain files in there. So that's pretty good. Very handy to do, and it'll load your photo there. And then you can just click on it and it'll come up in here for you. You can also change the background. If you want to add in text, that's a very important one as well. You can add in different types of text as well. Like say, for instance, I want to write in this circle here. So it's pretty good, it's pretty creative, you can do it for that. And of course, with your blank one, you can start from scratch. So let's say I want to make that my background. Go back into my uploads. I'll upload my funky image here again. And I can just click on that and it'll load for me. Might want to get some text in there as well. Might want to add in a title. Now I can just go ahead and move that. So you can see it's a pretty easy piece of software to use. Very fast to load as well, which is good too for the quality of what it is. So we call this Mr. Smith's Piktochart tutorial. And of course you can move that text as well, which is quite handy, and move the images as well. So you can see, guys, that's a quick little tutorial on how to use Piktochart. When you're ready, make sure you save your work as you go as well, and then you can download it as well in normal quality, and it'll download your work for you. So it's really good a tool to use for your assignments and your work in class as well. It can really upgrade the presentation of your information.